Opening shot of a scientist, Carl, sitting in front of a computer. Carl, excitedly, finally, I've cracked it. The secret to consciousness. Leans in closer to the computer, it's all just a hologram. Cut to a colleague, David, entering the lab. David, excitedly, Carl. I've got the same theory, but from a physicist's perspective. Carl, shocked, David. You too? It's a sign. David, nodding, yes, I've also found that the human mind is a hologram that attunes itself to the universal hologram through energy exchange. Carl, nodding, exactly. And in states of expanded or altered consciousness, like those achieved through gateway experiences, the process operates in the following way. They both start acting like they're conducting an experiment. David, excitedly, first, we send energy through the universal hologram and wait for the electrostatic fields of the human mind to catch it. Carl, excitedly, and then, they both make holographic hand gestures. The holographic images are projected onto the electrostatic fields and the mind can understand them to the extent that its electrostatic field is operating at the same frequency and amplitude as the energy carrier wave pattern passing through it. David, nodding, yes, and to make sense of this, the mind compares the image to its own memory. They both high-five. Carl, proudly, we've done it, David. We've cracked the code of consciousness. David, proudly, yes, and it all thanks to a simple binary go-no-go system, just like any computer made by the hand of man. They both look at the camera and smile, then freeze as the screen fades to black. End scene. Note that this is just an example of a comedic script and is written for entertainment purpose. It is fictional representation and not a genuine scientific finding. The Holographic Mind, Unlocking the Secrets of Consciousness. The Holographic Mind, Unlocking the Secrets of Consciousness. The Holographic Mind, Unlocking the Secrets of Consciousness.